What's good, peeps? I'm back in the kitchen today, gonna make quick snack Maggi noodles. I got these bad boys from India. I'm gonna show you a super tasty dish, how to make this quick and easy, bang, bang, bang. Right, so put water on the boil here. There you go, it's on the boil. I'm gonna get one of these cakes from here. Looks like that, you know, whack it in there, let that boil away, soften up for about 30 seconds. Gonna put it on pause, and I'll be back in a bit. So now, as you can see, my noodles are kind of al dente. I've drained them off into a plate, chuck them in there, chuck some butter in the pot. I'm just going to let that melt down a bit. Then I'm going to add a couple of spices. Speaking of which, you get these sachets in here. I did another cake of these noodles in there. You get these sachets in here. It's like kind of look like this. It's like, yeah, baby. How you doing? You be like, how you doing? But anyway, I digress. So yeah, you get a couple of those sachets in there. I'm going to let that melt down, as I say, back in a bit. So my butter is melted down quite nicely. Time to add these sachets here. So in goes, and it goes. There's one. Get rid of that. Chuck it on one side. Get the other one. Chuck that in. Okay. Get all that flavour out. You get me? Then turn that down a bit. Add the other spices in. Not much goes into this. Salt, you know, a little bit of salt, less than half a teaspoon. In it goes. A bit of coriander powder. Not a lot. Okay. So about that much. Actually, do you know what? Let's leave a little. There. Bit of chilli to taste. There you go. Not a lot. You don't need a lot. And then I love to chuck this stuff in there as well. Adds a bit of extra flavour to it. So get that. Bosh, in it goes. Okay. Boom. Yeah. Clean that up a bit. Give it a good old mix around. Once that's done, you can add the noodles in and give this a jolly good mix up, and I'll be back in a bit. Right, time to add these bad boys in. Wash it goes. Eventually, a good old mix now. There you go. Get a good old mix. Job done. Add a little bit of water from the kettle there to help it along. Otherwise it's going to be too dry. I'm just going to let them cook and then add in the mixed veg. I'll back up in a bit once it's all plated up. Oh mate, these look lush. Smell absolutely divine. Damn! So now my noodles are done. It's time to plate up. Get this. Ooh. Chuck it in there. And there you go. My 3-minute masala noodles. Enjoy.